Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. You know we always looking to level up our game over here. And I'm gonna show you guys how to level up your baked potato game with this taco stuffed baked potato. I know you're gonna love this one. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of what we have. So right here we have our ground beef, we have our potatoes here, we have some salsa, taco seasoning, water, olive oil, onions, green peppers, and we have a mixture of cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. The first thing we're gonna do is prepare our potatoes. I've already laid some aluminum foil down here, and I've already washed our potatoes and patted them dry. So now we're gonna add some olive oil. What I typically do is I just rub it all over the potato like this. And I usually sprinkle a little kosher salt over the top of it or around it while it bakes. It just adds a little flavor to that skin, which I love because I typically eat the skin on my baked potatoes. All right, sort of like that. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And I'm just going to fold that potato in here like this. This is how I usually do it, but you know, do the way you want to. And then I like to kind of twist the bottoms up like this on both sides to seal in that heat. Just like that, guys. Next, what I do is I just take a fork and we just poke holes in the potato. It's totally up to you how many holes you want to poke in it. All right, so now I'm gonna get these in the oven for 1 hour until that potato is soft. And if it's not soft after 1 hour, let it cook in 15-minute increments until you get it the right texture that you want, all right? All right, guys, so we're about 1 hour and 15 minutes in. My potatoes are ready. So what I'm gonna do is sit them aside while we whip up our taco filling. All right, so let's go ahead and heat our cooktop up. All right, let's add our ground beef. We're gonna salt this just a tad, pepper it up, and we're gonna let this cook until it's brown. But we're gonna also add our onions, our peppers, and we're gonna get this mixed up until our meat is brown and our veggies have softened. Now, once our meat is brown and our veggies have slightly softened, we're gonna come behind that and add our taco seasoning, our water, and our salsa. We're gonna cook this until our liquid has evaporated. So drop your heat down to a simmer to allow those seasonings to incorporate. All right, so it looks like we are good right here. Took a few minutes, less than 5 minutes. We're ready. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off. Now let's get over to our cutting board and start stuffing that potato, all right? And there you have it, guys. A taco stuffed potato. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control. Guys, let's bring that to the congregation, in front of the congregation. Take a look at that. Man, come on, man. Y'all already know this is fire. Let's get into it. Groceries. That's all I'm gonna say. Groceries. Man. Oh, man. You know, a lot of y'all got a list of my recipes that y'all waiting to make. Move this to the top of the list. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. And listen, I added some bacon to the top of this too, man, because you already know bacon make everything better. And I don't hear anybody saying, oh, Mexicans don't add bacon to their taco. Shut up. This is my taco. I ain't said it was a Mexican taco. I said it was a taco. I make my tacos how I want to. So, until then, I'm the cook, Spinell. This is All Wings Everything. Y'all give this a try. And remember, I'm not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.